15-cent screen print transfers? We can make some money off of that for sure. What's going on, everybody? Mario here with Nickel Prints. And today we're going to talk about TKO transfers, 15-cent screen print transfers. Let's get it. Screen print transfers. For all of you that have been following me for a while now, you will already know that I've been using Supercolor transfers for quite some time now. They're pretty much the only company that I would use for transfers. But now I found TKO transfers. And let me tell you that TKO changes the game when it comes to heat transfers. To start off with, you actually have the option to choose just one color. TKO offers 15-cent screen print transfers, which are just that, one color. For the 15-cent transfers, you do have a $25 setup fee. While TKO doesn't have a minimum, you can seriously just order one transfer. You will be paying that one 15-cent transfer with the $25 setup fee. Most of the time when you order transfers, you're looking for bigger quantities, maybe 10 or more. So as you can see, for one-offs, obviously it's not very ideal. But let's say when you're doing bigger quantities of, let's say, maybe 10 or more, these are fantastic. So let's say you're ordering 10 of these. Total price for everything will come out to $26.50. The cost per transfer will be $2.65. Let's say you're buying wholesale, you get a t-shirt for $3. It comes out to about $5.65 for that one shirt. Now let's say you order 20 of these. Then the price still starts to significantly lower. Ordering 20 transfers, the cost per product comes down to $1.40. Plus the shirt, again, $3, $4.40, not bad. A lot of times you see on Instagram or Facebook these ads from different screen printers. Usually it's screen printers or people that use transfers. You see that they have these great prices for 25 shirts, 50 shirts, and 100 shirts. And most of the times it's a one color, one-sided print, which using something like screen printing or screen print transfers, it's going to be fairly cheap for you to make, which in turn will allow you to sell it at a pretty good price, and you can make a fairly good profit. If you don't learn how to make a profit using transfers and more or less set an hourly rate for your work, make sure to check out this video right here where I break down exactly how to do that. In the video I do use Supercolor transfers, but the same principle can be applied to pretty much anything. So a lot of times you see these people running sales and you're there thinking, wow, how can they do that so cheap without putting in so much work? And again, it comes down to either screen printing or transfers. Most of the times you can do it with vinyl, but when you really think about it, the price is going to come out to be just about the same. If you're missing out on any money, you're probably going to be missing out on $5, maybe $6. Obviously depending on the quantity of shirts printed, quality, and a few other things. But the way I price most of my work, I've come to realize that when doing single color prints, the price of vinyl and the price of something like the TKO transfers in material itself, it pretty much averages out to just about the same. Let's take for example Caesar Easy Weed. Generally speaking, for a 12-inch by 15-foot roll, you're going to be paying about $36 plus shipping. The 15-cent TKO transfers are 9 inches by 12.75 inches, and the basic roll that I'm talking about is 12 inches. So what you would be doing is using 9 inches, having 3 inches of excess vinyl. That for the most part is probably just going to be in your scraps or even thrown away. So in total number of inches in length, you're going to have 180 inches. Each design that you cut, again, is going to be 9 inches by 12. So in those 180 inches or 15 feet, you're going to be able to fit 15 transfers. Now, on top of the fact that you're only going to be able to fit 15 transfers, you also have to take into consideration the amount of time that you're going to be spent cutting and then weeding. And if you are a regular vinyl user like I am, you know that larger quantities of vinyl, especially for more intricate designs, takes a long time. It can definitely take a long time. And then the weeding, take it from experience, folks. Weeding 20, 30, 40 pieces of vinyl, especially bigger ones, can get annoying. It can get very time consuming and annoying. If you want to learn how much vinyl is really costing you and how to calculate it, make sure to check out this video right here. In it, I explain how to do so in detail to make it as easy as possible for you. So now we know that for 15 transfers, we're paying $36 on a 15-foot roll of vinyl. But how much would it be using TKO transfers? If we're doing 15 transfers at 15 cents each with the $25 setup fee, we're going to be looking at $27.25, which is already cheaper than the vinyl itself. Now, you do have to pay for shipping, which shipping estimated 12 bucks maybe. Obviously, it depends on where you live. Comes out to $39.25 for 15 transfers that are fully ready to press. You're literally just paying $3 more for stuff that's already done, and you're going to be saving a crazy amount of time. Now, if your design is a bit bigger than the 9 by 12.75, they also have another option, which is a 12 by 12. The 12 by 12 is a little bit more. It's $30 for the setup fee, and then it's 20 cents per transfer, but it's still extremely affordable. Hey man, I need 20 shirts, but I need them to be 2 colors. Okay, yeah, I got you. Mario, they want 2 colors. How am I going to make that work with TKO transfers? Well, lucky for you, they also offer 2 color screen print transfers. Now, with the 2 colors, you do have a change in price. The 2 color prints are 95 cents and they have a $60 setup fee, which is understandable considering the fact that they need to set up 2 screens. So each screen comes down to 30 bucks each. They also have a bunch of other options, like they have gang sheets for the single colors and the 2 colors. Premium Plus, which goes up to 3 colors. They also have an extreme color option for full color prints. As you can see, that has some very good detail in it. And I think this is actually one of the coolest ones. They have neon colors as well as metallic colors. Now we're going to be getting into all this stuff in a future video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that. So enough talking, let's actually press one of these so you guys can see how it looks, feels, and how easy and quick it is to press. I just fired up the heat press and I set it to 320 degrees. We're going to be pressing the transfers for 15 seconds and then repressing for about 5. As usual, we're going to pre-press our garment for about 10 seconds to get out all the moisture. Once that's pressed, we're going to get our transfer and just place it right where we want it to go. And now we're going to press for 15 seconds. As soon as the 15 seconds are up, we're going to peel warm. Check out how easy it is to come off. Boom. That is it. Let's give it one more finishing press. About 5 seconds. And there we have it. That's all there is to it. As you can see, this was a quick, simple, and painless process. These transfers look and feel absolutely amazing. There's no visible adhesive on the edges. The feel is very nice. It's very soft. It's not like vinyl. It's got about a different texture than vinyl. I want to say it's a bit softer. Overall, it is a very high quality look and feel. I also did it on a light 50/50 shirt. And again, same quality, same look, same feel. Feels absolutely amazing. Remember, TKO Sales always has your back. If you want to try TKO transfers, I'm going to have them linked down in the description below. If you use my link, you will be getting 10% off your first order. If you want to see me review or test out any of the other products that TKO has to offer, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if I just showed you a new screen print transfer supplier, make sure to hit that like button. As always, it really helps the channel out. It really helps me, and I greatly appreciate all of your support and all of you watching. That pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.